So guys, I want to play something like IQ with a nickname. What right? If this is that I know guys, please stop roasting me because I'm bad. But let's do it. I'm already uploaded, so I'm gonna do it easily. What's that? So I'll be my friend. Want me to speak now? Sure, join me then. I'm the bad. I'm charging. Okay, let's charge then. Kuya,
I can go on your phone.
Kuya, say hi. I'm in my stream. Hello. It's my brother, guys. You thought it's my friend, which is Skibidi, that Zion one. But bro. Why am I get the mouse key? I don't want the mouse key. I'm good at this game.
Get the mouse key kasi.
Oh, okay.
Get the mouse key. Just click this, I think. I don't know. You need me to help you.
Do you think we have to do a wall jump?
You have to do this. Okay, wait. You jump, I'll just do this. And then you move. If you do it properly, you can do a double jump.
Let's try going here.
That one's easy. Secret tunnel, secret wall. What even is that game?
Not out of
Bad game.
You guys still want me to play with this or play another game? What do you think people like, Kuya?
Rocks.
Yeah, I already streamed that.
Doodle pen.
But I already finished it.
Show them what you have.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is my pets. They're really bad, so I'm gonna play another game. Because I'm gonna reject this game.
Not even talking that much.
Can you talk for me? Nah. Okay. Wait, where's my cam? Where's my cam? There's kind of being a get really but you guys still want me to play. So I'll show you how to play and we're gonna play let's do M trainer. I'm good at MM2. But I'm smelling crap. I'm smelling.
I'm really good there. We're behind you.
Where's mine?
What is the highlight? There's.
See him? Hey, Kuya, talk us about Max. Okay, cause it's my stream, right? It's not really a stream. But dun, 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 dun. This do chasing? What's that?
He did the splits.
Oh no, I exploded.
No way, ain't no skibidi toilet. Ain't no skibidi toilet way.
Wait, no, that's not right. I'm so slow.
Ooh.
Ooh.
You have aimbot?
No,
That's cap. You have aimbot. No cap.
that's aimbot.
My gosh. That's aimbot. Is blood just spamming?
Oh,
Okay, try to beat or they beat the hardest one, so let's do this one.
I don't have a gun.
The gun's right there. Ain't no skibidi where you beat him. Ain't no skibidi toilet where you beat him.
That newbie.
What the skibidi?
I'm telling you, I have aimbot.
Okay, how about this one?
I'm only
Moving.
I'm bad at that. My friend,
He's running away. That's it.
it's so easy.
Okay, now I choose, okay? Now I will choose something harder, okay?
But
Shock. Can't we get harder things?
can I put this?
NPC second. You want to choose one, ghost, haste, or sprint? Ghost? Haste? Okay. Random jumping. Choose whether, okay na. I'll choose one.
Right, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna do. Can I do realistic something? Blood, come on. Show Papa.
Yan, naulog. Magpasok agad bukas.
Oh my god. I have aimbot. How? Blood. This guy is so. Look, I literally have aimbot on. There, realistic camper yan ah.
Alright. Okay, let me make him harder, okay? Ghost, okay?
What's ghost? Can you pick me a good one?
This knife will be
Make it
this one. He needs to be harder because you already picked the hardest. Okay, let's go. Choose one. Mystic Camper again.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
You have to go right here. Try. Okay. Fine. It's hard. It's hard, okay? The other time when I beat him, I was just lucky, y'all. My aimbot is bad.
Koito.
Okay, try. Your aimbot's bad. Can you please stop for the fans?
Okay. What in this?
What the hell? So what's happening? Shoot him.
I don't have the gun.
That's your gun.
I am.
Here, just follow me.
Oh.
Let me try.
Wait. He's lagging. Only this there.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, there.
I'm not sick. Where is she?
Right there. and blood.
Blood.
Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna do this.